guys, it's Erica from P.S. I Made This, and I am so excited to show you our brand new accessory kit. Yes, it's a DIY accessory kit exclusive with Fab Fit Fun. We have so many amazing things that you can make, from bracelets to earrings to bag charms, you name it, we're gonna do it. So get excited, because we're gonna get very colorful right now. First, earrings. First things first, you wanna think what your design is. Once all three are right in that loop, you're gonna close it up so the tassels don't fall off. Now, you're gonna open up your earring wire and simply slide on to the earring wire. And just like that, P.S. I Made This. Next up, time for the cuff. Now you could do poms, you could do tassels. Me personally, I'm feeling tassels. Now if you notice, there are little jump rings on top of your tassels, which makes it really easy to create other accessories. However, for the cuff, we're gonna remove them. Stretch it open and simply pull out like that. Time for the glue. And there you have your tassel cuff. Super cute. Next up, it's bag charm time. Now, it doesn't have to be a bag charm, I take that back. It could be a keychain, choose your own adventure. Either way, it's kind of the same process. When you're working on accessories, you can experiment with colors. All of the colors that come in the kit are super interchangeable. You have some primary colors, you have some pastels, but really, they all work together. I'm gonna start with the large pom-pom. The process is pretty much all the same for the earring that it is for the bag charm. Open a loop, slip them on, then close the loop. So once you get your bag charm ready to go, you're gonna slide right onto the keychain itself. Make sure to close it tight, and perfect. I can see this on any beach bag, little tote, it's great. Whether it's cuffs to keychains, you're gonna have a blast making all these fun accessories.